transaction log for databases. Full easy steps to resolve. In this video, we will be going to show you step-by-step actions to overcome the transaction log for databases full issue. There is two ways of solving this issue. 1. Shrink the transaction log file size. 2. Increase the transaction log file size. Shrink the transaction log file size. Many of us know about the shrinking option. Now let's see how we can shrink the transaction log file. We can easily perform this action by using the SQL Server Management Studio for shrinking the transaction file. Step 1. Log into the SQL Server Management Studio with a user. Step 2. Expand the databases and select the database name which is having transaction log size full issue. Step 3. Right-click on database name and go to Task. Shrink. Files. Step 4. Here, in this step, you have to select file type as log and file name of the transaction log file. And then, you will be seeing a checkbox in name of release unused space. Click on the checkbox and this enables us to reduce the transaction log file space, but it doesn't delete any files to reduce the space. Step 5. You can find another checkbox option called Reorganize Files Before Unused Space. When you select this option, it will allow you to enter the value for shrinking the logs. If you use this option, then this is permanent, so by default, your process will be cleared. By doing this, you mean to reduce the rows and to relocate on unallocated pages. Step 6. Here, you can choose the percentage left out for database shrinkage. The percentage count can be changed between 0 and 99. But this step is enabled only when you select second option, which is Reorganize Files Before Releasing Unused Space. Step 7. The third option you can go with is an empty file by migrating the data to other files in the same file group. From the same group, it moves the files to a different location. After then, the open space file can be deleted. Enable Release Unused Space. Click Cancel. Increase the transaction log file size. Follow the below steps. Step 1. Log into the SQL Server Management Studio with a user. Step 2. Expand the databases, and select the database name which is transaction log size issue. Step 3. Right-click on the database and click on Properties. Step 4. Go to the Files section from the left-hand menu list as shown below and update the log size on the right-hand side under the Size MB section as shown below. Both ways are suitable to tackle this issue and can be used to fix it. Alternatives for responding to a full transaction log include